Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Animesh Awareness. Today's topic is traits of a gentleman. What does a gentleman is made up of? So this is presented by me, and after watching it you can share it, like it, and do subscribe and press the bell icon. So here are a few things about me. My name is Animesh Kumar Dwivedi. I have done my engineering in electronics and communication, and these are the examination which I have given, and I got recommended in SSB. My interests are in national security, geopolitics, and current happening. Let's start. So we live in a troubled and confusing modern world, which makes the concept of being gentleman somewhat difficult. Because the question is, what does being a gentleman actually mean? Can we define a gentleman? And what are the traits or the characteristics of a gentleman? So we are going to see deeper into it. Changing from a man to a gentleman involves refining various aspects of his behavior. Point number one, mindset. Second point, and third is appearance. There are certain characteristics and traits that one should aim to embody in order to become the gentleman. Everyone by birth is a man, but by changing his behavior, mindset, and appearance, that person slightly moves on the path of becoming gentleman. एंड कुछ ट्रेट्स होते हैं, कुछ गुण होते हैं जो एवरीवन शुड ट्राई टू एम्बॉडी इन देम, अपने अंदर लेना चाहिए, इनकलकेट करना चाहिए टू बिकम द जेंटलमैन. एंड दीज आर द सम सर्टेन ट्रेट्स व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू सी, जिन्हें हम आगे देखेंगे. सो व्हाट आर द ट्रेट्स? हियर इट स्टार्ट्स. अ जेंटलमैन नेवर टेल्स. सो जो जेंटलमैन होता है वो गॉसिप नहीं करता, इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करता, वो रूमर नहीं फैलाता. नो स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ रूमर्स. ही विल नॉट स्पीक इल अबाउट others. वो दूसरों के बारे में बुरा भला नहीं बोलेगा. A gentleman always protects the integrity of both himself and those around him. जो उसके अगल बगल होते हैं उनको बचाता है और अपने आप को बचाता है. बैड माउथिंग नहीं करता. You will never find a gentleman talking ill about others. He will never bad mouth. He will just leave the place, but he will try to avoid the bad mouth. So he will never tells. अंदर जो गया है, अगर आपने उसको कुछ बताया है, so it will be buried inside his chest and it will go with him to his grave. ठीक है, बाहर निकल के बात नहीं आती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दी स्पाइस, जो हमारे स्पाई होते हैं रॉ एंड डाल के, सो दे आर वन ऑफ द ट्रेट्स दैट दे डोंट टेल. नो शॉर्टकट्स. अ जेंटलमैन विल नेवर टेक अ शॉर्टकट बिकॉज ही नोज एनीथिंग वर्थ हैविंग इज वर्थ वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर. चाहे वो आपका सिक्स पैक बनाना हो, चाहे आपकी फिटनेस इंप्रूव करनी हो, चाहे आपका खान पान इंप्रूव करना हो, चाहे पढ़ाई लिखाई, वट एवर, स्पोर्ट्स, एनी डोमेन यू कैन टेल. सो अ जेंटलमैन नोज दैट यू गेट वॉट यू गिव. आप दोगे तो आपको मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो नो शॉर्टकट्स इज इन द डिक्शनरी ऑफ जेंटलमैन. सो हियर दिस पर्सन इज रीडिंग समथिंग. यू कैन वॉच दिस पिक्चर. हाउ टू डांस. अ जेंटलमैन नोज हाउ टू डांस बिकॉज नो बडी लाइक्स अ नॉर्मल ग्रोन अप मैन मून वॉकिंग. ठीक है. सो यू शुड नो दी सम वर्डली प्लेजर्स, and that is one of it is by dancing. You should know how to use your footwork to ensure that you are holding the floor confidently. So a gentleman should know how to dance, whether it's normal dance, romantic dance, whatever, but you should know how to use your footwork. Here this person is dancing with his, I think his wife or sister, anyone. So Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw has said, he who neither drinks nor smokes nor dances, he who preaches and even occasionally practice pity, temperance and celibacy, is generally a saint or Mahatma. Certainly won't make a leader, or for that matter a good soldier. So a good soldier or a normal, everyone is a soldier, right? So everyone is fighting some battle in his life, so everyone should know how to dance. Help others with their baggage. This is a very important thing. When you see a person carrying a heavy bag, you should go and help, whether it is man, woman, or young or elderly. ठीक है. Be it airport, train, station, or normal staircase of your building. So a gentleman knows how to help others with their baggage. See, this is the picture of candidate at, going to attend SSB, and they are being carried. They are being transported by this vehicle of armed forces, and one person is here and he is helping to put the bag inside the vehicle. So like that, people should help others. Confidence and arrogance. A gentleman knows the difference between confidence and arrogance. Arrogant people brag, जो बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताते हैं, while confident people are humble. You may meet so many people, they have done so much in their life, but they will not even talk about it, right? The confident people are proud of their achievements and tell people about them एंड दे आर वेरी मॉडेस्ट, वो बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताते नहीं है। और दूसरा आदमी क्या है, they have done something and they will just show it off. So confidence and arrogance. A gentleman knows the difference between confidence and arrogance. Sometimes if you are not, if you are if you are confident and you are only showing your confidence, some people might misuse it. They start putting you down because you are very much modest about your achievement, right? So certain people we meet that also going to hamper our performance in day-to-day life, so we should avoid them. Next is open-minded. Yes, a gentleman knows the benefit of listening to views of others. He is never stubborn and always prepared to learn in order to develop and broaden his worldview. So जो gentleman होता है दूसरों की बातें सुनता है. For example here, some gentlemen sitting in the army headquarters or in the tri services, they must have heard about the importance of inducting women in the NDA, right? At the age of, let's say, 15 to 16, 17. What is the young age, right? So they have seen all the pro and cons, and they understood that women should be allowed to join NDA. So here there's a picture of girls cadet who are in the NDA, the first batch. So open-minded nature is very important for anyone. So gentleman always be an open-minded person. Next is lies. A gentleman would avoid lies, right? Because he is rooted in the principle of integrity, honesty, and respect. What is integrity? Integrity means honest and having strong moral principle. For example, your elder brother is drinking and you don't have moral courage, नैतिक साहस, to tell him that अगर आप drink कर रहे हो तो आपका liver खराब है, right? Your hormones will be having some problems. Your children will be having some problem in future, and you can consult with the doctor also. So you can give facts and figure, and you can morally, I mean, you should show moral uprightness and correct your brother. So integrity is one of the important thing. Honesty. So honesty is very important because honesty builds trust and fosters genuine connection. अगर आप dishonest हो तो फिर आप गए. So gentleman is always maintaining his integrity, honesty, and he respects others, right? And character. A gentleman understands that their character is defined by their action. So आप देखोगे जो gentleman होते हैं उनके character में दाग नहीं होता, बेदाग छवि के होते हैं 99%. And along with their integrity, honesty, and respect, their character is strengthened. So by being truthful, they demonstrate strength of character and earn the respect of those around them. So this is very important, right? So these are certain traits one should try to embody in them. Next is man of words. A gentleman means what he says and says what he means. No double speak. No having to read between the lines and between the lips. A real gentleman knows that how to get to the point. While this is not an excuse for rudeness and insensitivity, वो बोलेगा to the point बात करेगा और उसको insensitivity या rudeness नहीं मानना चाहिए because वो अपने he is a man of word. See here this is a picture of candidates, not candidates, this is a picture of 3 friends. इन्होंने प्लान किया होगा कि हम यहाँ जाएंगे, मे बी इनका प्लान नहीं पहले वर्क किया होगा, भाई अभी बिजी हैं. सो जो जेंटलमैन होगा बोलेगा अभी बिजी हूँ, आज नहीं 1 महीने बाद, राइट? सो ही विल बी अ मैन ऑफ वर्ड्स. बोल दिया तो करना है, अभी नहीं, अभी बिजी हूँ, कोई एग्जाम है, कुछ है, I will help you or I will go out with you or I will come and meet you. So he will do that. Now it is up to you whether you can receive that kind of person or not. तो आपको अपना दिखाना पड़ेगा भाई कि we are ready to accept gentlemen. So he will be a man of word. Be a man of word. Never makes anyone cry. ठीक है? Like this gentleman is listening to the plight of the lady. She must be going through some problem, maybe physical, emotional, mental, all kind of problem. ठीक है? So gentleman will never make anyone cry unless it is a tear of happiness from that vintage Jaguar he surprised his family. ठीक है? So next is chivalry. Chivalry means polite, kind, and unselfish behavior by men towards women. But you can extend this domain to even to elderly, even to old age, even to kids. So chivalry is a polite behavior towards other people. So what are the examples of chivalry? Opening doors, like this gentleman man is opening, offering seat, giving up your coat. Here Mr. Putin is giving his coat. Walking on the outside of the road, protecting the person who is walking beside you, respecting boundaries, this is very important, and being courteous and polite. So these are certain few examples of chivalry. You can add many more. So a gentleman is always chivalrous person. Next is never judge. A gentleman will never judge. For example, this lady is working out in gym. She's trying to lift the weight. a gentleman will not judge. He will only motivate her, because never judge a book by its cover. So you should not be a judgmental person. Next is always well presented. A gentleman is always well presented, no matter the company, occasion, or top secret mission. Dress like that it is the last day of your of your uh, of your life on this earth. For example, here Modi ji recently, this is the picture of his this is a picture of where he went to cast his vote recently. I think in 2024 election. Yes, it was in Gujarat. So look at his dressing sense. He is always perfectly dressed. नॉर्मल से कपड़े हैं, धुले हुए हैं, आयरन कपड़े हैं, बट ही ड्रेस फॉर द ओकेजन. फॉर एग्जांपल पीपल हु आर इन द आर्म फोर्सेस, ठीक है, मेस का अलग ड्रेस है, आपकी क्लासेस अटेंड करने का अलग ड्रेस है, पीटी का अलग ड्रेस है. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज वेल प्रेजेंटेड, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज how to cook. It is very important. A gentleman knows how to cook. So there is a saying, a man who cooks is attractive, and a man who does the dishes is irresistible, right? So you should know how to cook for your family, for your friend. So here two people are cooking, and cooking is a survival skill. For example, COVID lockdown, if you had the habit of getting food through the online delivery apps, they were not working, so you should know how to cook. Next is firm handshake and eye contact. So आपका जो handshake होना चाहिए, it has to be firm and eye contact. हल्का फुल्का handshake नहीं होना चाहिए. So a handshake is like a gentleman's signature. It tells people the content of your character immediately. This is very important. Next is a gentleman does not insist on paying the bill. ठीक है, जैसे हमें होता है कि भाई हम पे कर देंगे, I will get this done. But if your friend or colleague, they are offering to pay the bill, you should be open-minded, because open-minded is a quality of a gentleman. So, and let them pay the bill, and next time you can pay. So that is another trait. Next is a gentleman always walk a woman home. Women or any kind of vulnerable section of the society. People, I mean vulnerable section, those who are, uh, those who can be targeted, whether it is women, children, old age, disabled, anyone. So it is not old fashioned, it is a good manners. Take her to the door and wait till she safely goes inside, right? So here three pictures you can see. So you have to walk any vulnerable section of the society to the home for their safety. Next, serve other. Look for opportunity to help and serve those in need. Act of kindness and generosity reflect the heart of a true gentleman. Here you can even help a puppy, someone who is searching for food. You can help even the animals. Continuously improve yourself. This is one of the very important quality of a gentleman. Embrace a growth mindset and strive for self improvement in all area of your life, right? Be it study, be it professional, personal, right? Reflect on your action, learn from your mistakes, and commit to become the best version of yourself. So these are certain important traits of a gentleman. Here this person might be not outgoing. Now I believe that this picture you see, two friends are sitting on the top of car. So एक ने अपने आप को adventurous बनाया और बाहर जाने लगा. So I think he has improved himself. You can take this from this picture. Next is cultivate good communication skill. This is very important. Practice active listening and engage in meaningful conversation. Communication skill is the soul of everything. Avoid interrupting others and speak in a polite and articulate manner. Develop emotional intelligence. EI. EI is very important. You have to be empathetic, right? The E in a leadership stands for empathy. If you don't have empathy, you are fit for nothing. Be empathetic and understanding towards others' feeling. Learn to control your emotions and respond thoughtfully in a challenging situation. Next is educate yourself. Continuously seek knowledge and broaden your horizons. Read books, stay informed about current events, and pursue interest beyond your immediate surrounding. जो भी है, you have to educate yourself. Next is what? Changing from a man to a gentleman is a journey that requires dedication, self-awareness, and a genuine desire to make a positive impact on the world around you. अगर आप अपने आप को चेंज करोगे तो आपके जो अगल बगल के लोग हैं वो भी चेंज होंगे. It will create a positive environment. And it is not a perfection but continuous progress and striving to demonstrate the qualities of honor, respect, and decency, right? So being a gentleman is a man of choice. Next is please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And thank you. Jai Hind.